Uy, what you doing? Your milk.
Ano na yan? Tignan mo yung dede ni Adi ko.
Ninja! Oh, Ninja! Ninja, what did you do? Who looks like female? Jaja Ingo looks like female if he had a blood.
Loko ka ha.
That's so hurt. Uy, go do not cry or else you have many bleeding.